Here is a video of my newly acquired and slightly restored Heinrich Rehse. Beautiful runner. Runs well from 2 psi to 50, 60, whatever. It's very close in design, if the cast is not exact, to a Wilhelm Bischoff number 173. Bischoff was Rehse's predecessor, and essentially Rehse sold a lot of Bischoff's castings and was a reseller for him as well. A little bit of glare out here, trying to catch the last few nice days of the summer. This is running at about 15 psi. Seven-inch flywheel, 30mm bore, 50mm stroke. That's the table rattling, actually. Really nice engine. Very happy I acquired it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.